Okay, welcome back. This tutorial we're going to cover the copy command. Copy command can be found on the ribbon right here. CP is the shortcut, or you can type in copy. CP is the keyboard shortcut. So again, it's important that when we enter a command, we know what AutoCAD is expecting us to do. In this case, again, it wants us, similar to erase, to select objects to copy. So we're going to copy this line. When we're done selecting, there's two ways we can move on in the command. We can hit enter, or we can right click the mouse button. And now it's asking for a base point. This is where it's copying from. If I'm going to make random copies, I can just pick any random base point and then any other point. Now, if I undo that, if I wanted to copy this line, enter to move on into my command. Notice how it's not asking me for a base or to select objects, it's asking me for a base point. If I pick a point off in space, move my mouse in the direction I want to copy, and let's say 0.15, enter on my keyboard as my distance and hit enter, it will copy that far. Now I can enter again to get out of the command. Go back into copy. I can pick my new object, enter, right click, or spacebar will work. If I pick this endpoint as my base point, and then my next point, next point, next point, I'm creating a column of those lines. Now if I go back into the copy command, let me show you how I did that. Spacebar, enter to get back into my previous command. I can pick my geometry, pick a point off in space, and let's say we want to make this 0.625 spacing. Now I can copy my new geometry and either go from the end point, the midpoint, wherever, here to here to here, and now I've got even copies. Okay, so remember what it's looking for is selecting the objects you want to copy, a base point, and then a new point, and that can either be a random distance or it can be a set distance that you want it to go. And that's going to conclude the copy command. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next one.